Hi guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. I'll show you how I got my fish. So here's a sea bass. And what I like to do, my family and I like to do is to just gut it, scale it, and then cook the whole thing, steam the whole thing, actually grill it in an oven. And I'll show you how I clean this. It's pretty simple. So just let's take a moment. And what I like to do is I like to start with a nice little set of scissors. So you go in here, if you look here, you'll see the gill. So you go ahead and cut through the front of the gill, and then it's pretty simple, right? And then you have another set of gills in the back, and you cut through that. And once you're done with that, you want to get a knife and just cut through the stomach right here, just like this, carefully. And then when you want to cut through the fin, just like that. And then on the other side too, cut through just like that. And what you do is you want to cut through the belly all the way to the butt, just like that. And then you want to make sure you get a scissor and without getting into your meat, just cut through the rest of the gill, just like that. And right here, I'm gonna cut through the gill, just like that. And finally, you bring it to the trash bag, just like I do, and you want to just grab the gill and then pull it out, and everything should just come out just like that, and you're done pretty much. See, it's a clean cut of a fish. And then what I like to do is cut through the top fins, just like that. And then the bottom fin. And the tail. And the only thing you have left is to just scale it, and you could either put hot boiling water to easily remove it, or just use one of those scalers. I would recommend not doing it on the board. I like to put it inside a trash bag and scale it inside the trash bag to make it clean. And then once you're done, I like to put it on an ice bath, salt water, just like that, to let it soak and rinse it. And what it will do is it'll clean out whatever that is left of it, like the blood right here, and it'll let it brine a little bit in the salt. And once it's done, I'll scale it, let it dry, and it's a very easy way to cook your sea bass. You just put whatever veggies or lemon or anything you want to put in here, just salt it, and then wrap it in a foil and grill it for about 20 minutes. Take the foil off, and then put it on broil for about 10 more minutes, and you're gonna have a nice crispy whole sea bass, and your family will enjoy it. All right, thanks, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.